Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to get answers on Microsoft Forms. Whether you're tracking quiz results or analyzing survey feedback, accessing these responses is essential for understanding your data. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.office.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Microsoft Forms account. This will take you to your main dashboard where all your forms and quizzes are stored. Now that you're logged in, you'll see your Microsoft Forms dashboard. Click on My Forms to view all the forms and quizzes you've created. Take a moment to browse through your available forms or quizzes and locate the specific one you want to review. Once you've found it, click on that form or quiz to open it. After opening your selected form or quiz, direct your attention to the right panel of your screen. Here you'll find an option labeled View Responses. Click on this button to access your response data. This action will bring up an overview of your collected responses, displaying key metrics such as the total number of responses received, the average score if it's a quiz, and the average time respondents took to complete it. If you want to dive deeper into these metrics, you can click the View More Details button for additional insights. Next, while still in the right panel, look for the Review Answers option and click on it. This is where you'll get into the specifics of individual responses. You'll now see detailed information for each respondent, including the time it took them to complete your form or quiz, as well as their score if applicable. This view gives you a clear breakdown of how each person performed or responded. To navigate through multiple responses, simply use the arrow button marked with a greater than symbol. Clicking this button will cycle through different respondents' answers, allowing you to review each submission individually. You can take your time examining each response to identify patterns, assess performance, or gather the specific information you need from your data. And there you have it, you've successfully accessed and reviewed answers on Microsoft Forms, giving you full visibility into how respondents interacted with your form or quiz. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.